Well, here we are waking up to a beautiful morning. The wind died down. It was very, very windy when I pulled in yesterday, so it's welcome that the wind has died down. And last night I woke up about 2 in the morning and there were donkeys outside the van. Couldn't film them, it was too dark, but it was interesting. This is a cool spot. I'm digging where I'm parked here. Probably gonna spend at least a couple days here. I'm gonna go do some exploring in these hills. It's like a couple campers are here. We've got somebody over in this hillside. Looks like an Airstream trailer over here. And there is a couple camped right over this little hill. You can actually drive right around the front of it. You have to go into the water a little bit, but I saw them drive through there. There must be a little nice camp spot there. And this is me here. Right below this big rock. Alright, I've had these biscuits in the fridge for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and make these up. Getting the cast iron skillet heated up. Got the trivet in the bottom there. Alright, I've got the pan preheated with the trivet in there. Gonna see how that works. I've done this directly on the bottom of the pan before. They usually get pretty crispy, so I'm gonna see if this helps slow that down a little bit. So I've got plenty of room in there. Got the lid preheated as well. The heat is actually off right now. I turn it off for a second. So I'm gonna turn it back on. That on really low. Just let it slowly bake. Okay, we're gonna check on our biscuits here. Got a little too brown on the bottom. I'm gonna do a quick flip. Put the lid on for a quick minute. All right, so this is our finished product. I think they turned out pretty nice. Just did a quick flip over to give them a little crispiness on top. They are a little overdone for my taste on bottom, but I think they'll be good with the gravy that I'm gonna put on them. Just made up a little country gravy. Let's serve those up. So I split those open. They're nice and moist inside. Let's see if we can do this one-handed here. Spoon up a little bit of gravy on each one. Then I'll kind of spread it out. Don't know why, I just had a craving for biscuits and gravy. Give it a shot. Dang. It's actually perfect having them a little crispy on the bottom. That gravy on there. Check it out, these donkeys are coming in to get a little drink of water here at the lake. They were right over by my camp last night. I could hear them right outside the van. Yeah, going to get a little sip of water. Are just amazing. Just all the formations and colors. Man, look at that stuff. Wild. Little caves. Looks like a trailhead here. I was looking at Google Maps. I believe this trail takes you all the way up to the top up there. Don't know how long of a hike it is. Probably check on Google Maps. Just drop a pin and put it on walking. End of road. No vehicles beyond this point. Means you can hike it though. Whoa, check this out. Wow. Woo, windy up here. Look at that view. Woo. Wow, this is some seriously strong wind. I'm having to like lean into it. Right up on this ridge line. I gotta get up off here. As beautiful as the view is, I get blown away. Take a look at this little camp over here. Cool little spot. Not very level. Kind of tucked out of the wind a little bit. There is this little level spot here for a tent. Just really couldn't fit a vehicle in here. Nice little spot though. A little privacy. Alright, back to the van. Oh, that was fun. Oh, that wind is just not going to quit. We are home sweet home. Well, I'm grilling up a little bit of marinated pork, marinated with some soy sauce and some other spices. And I've got some veggies here. Just gonna brown this up a little bit first, and then add the veggies. A little stir fry. I seared that pork a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add these veggies. Get that stirred up. Probably put a lid on it for a little bit, kind of steam those veggies a little. We'll just let those covered for a couple minutes. Let it steam. Oh yeah. Oh, those veggies are nice and bright. Smell them. Just added a little bit of soy sauce before I put that lid on. I think that's going to be good. Try some of that cauliflower. Perfect. Still just a little bit crispy. Oh, that's good. Well, there it is. Just a little marinated pork veggie stir fry. Let's give it a try. Oh, I think I got a little bit of everything in one bite. Well, that is delicious. Super quick and easy. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to give a little update on my travel plans. I had mentioned a few videos ago that some family stuff came up that I had to attend to in Southern California, so I will be doing that very soon. Basically, a very close friend of the family passed away recently, so I'm going back to attend services. So it will be a very short visit back to San Diego, and then I'll be back on the road heading east. I have had a lot of people reach out to me for meetups, and I put the word out there about collecting some fresh wood for my wood carving. So I will be getting in touch with all you folks that have reached out to me. If you're along my route, I'll definitely get in touch and see if we can meet up. Otherwise, I hope everyone is doing very well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.